In this video, we'll walk you through assessing and repairing your burner system if it becomes clogged due to water intake. This guide is specifically for older warming trends burners that don't have the WaterStop feature. We always recommend using an all-weather cover to protect the burner system from inclement weather, particularly prolonged rain. If your fire feature was left uncovered, there's a chance the burner system may have taken on water. A telltale sign of this is hearing a gurgling sound when you open the valve to allow gas flow to the burner. If gas is still able to pass through, simply igniting the burner and letting it run for a brief period can often be enough to evaporate any trapped water. Typically, this is all that's needed. However, if you continue to hear gurgling sounds, or if there is no gas flow at all, you'll need to disassemble the burner system to remove any water that may have created a blockage in the gas line connected to the burner assembly. To proceed, you'll need a bucket or large container, an adjustable crescent wrench, your valve key, and an ignition wand. First, ensure the gas flow is fully turned off. Remove all infill media from the burner pan area and place it in a container. Then lift the burner pan, tilt it to the side, and use the crescent wrench to disconnect the gas line from the pan. For this step, we recommend having a second person hold the burner pan assembly, especially for larger units. This helps prevent any damage to the concrete or burner assembly during disconnection and makes it easier to remove the pan from the burner opening in the concrete shell. Once removed, turn the burner pan upside down and shake it firmly to release as much water as possible. Set the pan aside in a dry, secure area. Now open the gas flow with your valve key while observing the exposed gas line. You should see moisture being expelled. Tilt the line downward to help drain any remaining water. Once no more moisture is visible, turn off the gas flow. Reconnect the gas line to the pan valve, making sure the connection is secure but not forced to avoid damaging the threading. Replace the burner pan, positioning it securely within the burner area. Test ignition by positioning the wand near an exposed burner nozzle and turning on the gas flow with your valve key. Once the burner is operational, reinstall the infill media, and your Lumacast fire feature is ready for use again. If you have any further questions, please reach out by phone during business hours or email us anytime. Thank you for watching.